who for centuries only held the idea of a single universe. This revolutionary theory arrived through superstring theory, M theory, and unified field theory, which also offered a solution in unifying the macro big world of relativity and the micro subatomic world of the quantum. For instance, the idea of living in a multiverse was suggested when astronomers and cosmologists discovered that space was indeed flat, not curved as proposed by Einstein. This was the first clue in providing evidence that indicated that space was infinite and expanding at an extraordinary rate. The second piece of evidence comes when cosmologists discovered a phenomenon known as quantum fluctuations and cosmic inflation. This observation indicated that universes, plural as expanded, are expanding at an extraordinary rate and away from each other. Most importantly is the revealing fact that what scientists refer to as the Big Bang is an event that is taking place every day. That's right. The Big Bang is not an event that just took place sometime in our distant past, billions of years ago, beginning with a single point, or starting at a single point of singularity, and then from that little single point of singularity, which is smaller than a mustard seed, everything that we know as physical matter came to be, the whole cosmos. Well, it appears that that same event, according to this new data, and this is what the scientists and the powers that be and NASA don't want people to know. According to new evidence, this suggests that creation is an event that is happening continually and perpetually, and it's probably a process that is infinite. Why? Because there is a creator and there is some purpose to everything, and there is organization on every level, as I will show you as we continue further into this book. So, with that have said, let me continue reading this chapter based on the new ideas that science has recently discovered, based on the new evidence. Now, this notion of perpetual infinite creation would indeed imply that our universe is one of infinite number of universes floating in space with other universes, while new universes are being born every day, and as old universes are also fading away from existence. Wow, this is fascinating. This also helps validate the theory of the holographic concept of reality, implying that we are all interconnected, as cells are in a human body, and so forth and so on. So, the idea is enormous, and the evidence is here. It's just, again, they don't want people to know the truth. So here it goes as I continue. Where am I? Now, this notion of perpetual infinite creation would imply that indeed our universe is one of infinite number of universes floating in space and with other universes, while new universes are being born each day, and as old universes fade away each day. On a higher note, the evidence is also indicating that all of these universes are being born from what might appear to be a mother universe, or what science calls the metaverse. The metaverse, or mother universe, according to science, has never been created. It appears as if the metaverse is infinite without beginning or end, and it is the source that is causing about 10 new universes. Let me say that again. And it is the source that is causing about 10 new universes. That's 5 plus 5. 10 new universes each day. It's giving birth to 10 new universes each day, according to the new evidence here, for what appears to be infinity. It is now apparent that our science has rediscovered what has always been known to the illuminated seers, and that is the truth, that although there are multiple physical universes, there is only one spiritual motherverse that has always existed without beginning or end, exactly as explained by cutting-edge science nowadays. That's why I'm telling you, we are living in the most exciting times ever to be living. This is a time where, based on the new evidence, our science is going to reach a level of understanding where it will begin to once again reunite or merge with religion and philosophy, and as a result of that, a golden age will ensue for the rest of the planet, for the world. So here we go. I'm going to continue with this chapter. It is now evident also that the ancients, unlike us, didn't really have science and religion at odds, but knew that they were two different sides of the same coin. They knew that basically there was no such thing as magic, that all is science at its most essence level. In essence, everything is science. Advanced science to us could be magic, or it could be something that is supernatural in nature. But the truth of the matter is that all is science. It doesn't matter on what level we are in this whole scheme of things. Everything is measured to a mathematical equation, as to why I strongly believe that once we mathematically solve the equation for the grand theory of everything, and that's to why I'm introducing these new concepts and these new theories, which will aid the grand theory of everything. Anyhow, so we are heading into a new era based on the results of this new evidence. So here we go. With this new understanding, it is believed that every part of our cosmos operates as a unit of one. Then in essence, yes, with this new understanding, it is believed that every part of our cosmos operates as a unit of one, that in essence all universes are like